In this video, I paint the bed and then I install it. Stay tuned.
Next morning.
I'll search room for activities now. accomplish a goal. That's what I've been working on this week. So next week, I'll start danking around with bleeding the clutch and trying to figure out the wiring. Maybe I'll get to drive this thing down the road and back. So if you haven't done so yet, go ahead and click that subscribe button, if you don't mind. And then click the bell icon right next to the subscribe button so you'll be notified of future uploads. If you like this video, hammer away at that like button. If you didn't, hammer away at the dislike button twice. Share this video with your vast social media network if you don't mind. I would appreciate that. Go ahead and do it. I'll wait. Did you do it? Thanks. You're awesome. Until next time, you have fun, stay safe, shoot straight, keep your powder dry, and have a splendid day. I gotta take the boy to boxing. Bye.